Hey YouTube, coming at you again with a video about my latest purchase from APMEX. A pseudo unboxing, don't you know? Still buying from APMEX despite the drama. Looks like they still have great pricing. They have a good guarantee. They seem to deliver. I haven't had too much to be concerned about, but I don't have a lot of experience yet either. All right, let's crack this here baby open. Oh my God, it's heavy. All right, let's take a little look-see. Oh, what we got? Uh-oh. Wow. All right. Oh, Canada. I really went crazy buying Canadian bullion this time. I have a soft spot for Canadian bullion because I think it's an excellent value because of its purity. I think that's what really makes it stand apart from the other bullion out there. And I wanted to pick up a few pieces to round out my collection a little bit, as well as buy a couple tubes to speculate on potential future appreciation of a few of their more limited series. So out here in front, I've picked up some of these just regular ones. This is a 2013, which is going to be just like all the others that you've seen. I did buy a tube of the 25th anniversary 2013s, but this is a regular 2013, and I just wanted to have one so that I could have one of each to keep in my collection permanently. Here's a 2012 because it's the last year of the traditional style before the anniversary year. I guess the 2013 is more appropriate to keep in that regard, but I got a 2012 anyways, what the heck. Alright, here's a 2014, which is the first year with the radial design around the Queen. And on the front as well, I guess. I didn't realize it was both sides. And it also has the mint mark with the anti-counterfeit device. This is probably probably a good one to keep because it's the first year of issue. And I had to get a 2015 just to make sure that I have one for every year, going back a little ways. I wouldn't say they're in pristine condition, but they're good enough for me. And I also got my first ever gold piece. This is the Howling Wolf. Should probably turn that around right way. The Howling Wolf 5/9s gold, and I got this because it seemed like the premium was starting to creep up and availability was starting to get limited. I wanted to get one of these before it went crazy or was all of a sudden into collectible territory. I plan on getting the Cougar and as well as whatever next year's issue will be as well. I just want to have one of each. Um, like that it comes in the assay. And the only complaint I have is it looked like it took a little bit of damage in shipping. This order was kind of heavy and might have taken a little bit, but it's just going to be on the plastic. I'm not too concerned. All right, so let's open these in order. So I bought a whole tube of each of the Birds of Prey series, which I thought was interesting, and it's the only series I can really get into at this point without going too far back. So I wanted to pick these up before the premium started to go up, that sort of thing. Let's take a quick look, see if I can do this. All right, what we got? All right, so here we have the peregrine falcon. Everybody knows it's the fastest bird in the world. Thinking its dives, it can go over 150 miles per hour. It's pretty impressive. It's a beautiful bird of prey, indigenous to North America and Canada, of course. And on the back, we have you know who. Uh-oh. Let me get back here. And finally, we have the bald eagle, which is interesting because we just had 4th of July yesterday. So it's timely. However, I made this purchase in anticipation of being able to do an unboxing for Canada Day, but APMEX delayed the order, and the United States Postal Service didn't quite make their 2-day delivery as expected, so it got pushed back a little bit and didn't get it, but that's all right. I still got my stuff. It's all here. You know, I know there's some drama regarding APMEX, and I'm going to still buy from them because they seem to have great prices for bullion. So that's about it. All right, that pretty much concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. I know I'm going to get some hate for the APMEX order, but that's all right. I order on a credit card to make sure I'm safe. I get a little bit of money back, that sort of thing. But anyways, thanks for watching, and hope to have another video up here in a few more days.